In this lesson, we are going to calculate the surface area of a composite shape. In grade 8 math, we learned how to calculate the surface area of rectangular prisms, triangular prisms, and cylinders. For this example, we have two cylinders, one small cylinder stacked on top of a larger cylinder. So we need to calculate the surface area of both cylinders and subtract the overlapping areas. So we're going to begin by calculating the surface area of the small cylinder, which is on top. To do this, we're going to use our surface area formula for a cylinder, and that is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now, the small cylinder on top has a radius of 6 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. So we will substitute those values in for r and h, giving us 2 times pi times 6 squared plus 2 times pi times 6 times 8. So on the next line, we will get 226 decimal 2 plus 301.6. Just going to fix this up a little bit. That was 226.2 plus 301.6. When we add those two together, we get 527 decimal 8 centimeters squared. Now, moving on to the surface area of the large cylinder, which is on the bottom. So to calculate the surface area of the large cylinder on the bottom, we're going to use the same formula as we did above, which is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now, for a cylinder on the bottom, we are actually given the diameter of 18 centimeters. So the radius of that cylinder is 9 centimeters. So we need to make sure that we substitute 9 in for r. So we get 2 times pi times 9 squared plus 2 times pi times 9 times 12. Which gives us 508.9 plus 678.6. That gives us a total of 1,187.5 centimeters squared. So now that we have our two cylinders calculated, we need to find the overlapping area, which is going to be the bottom or the base of the small cylinder multiplied by 2. So to find the area of overlap, we are going to use the formula 2 pi r squared because we have two circles. We're going to use the radius of the small cylinder, which is on top. So our formula is going to be 2 times pi times 6 squared, which gives us a total of 226.2 centimeters squared. So to finish this problem off, we need to calculate the total surface area. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the surface area of the small cylinder plus the surface area of the larger cylinder, and we're going to subtract the overlap. So the total surface area is equal to 527.8 plus 1,187.5 subtract 226.2. And our final answer is 1,489.1 centimeters squared.